Excuse me. Success, y'all. Success. I'll show you what I did here. I got a computer fan that took a shit, so we're only running one for now. Can't even see it, but this capacitor right there, that little capacitor right there went bad. RCI 2990 Roger beep. Fix, longer, not quite louder, because I like the way it sounds, but yeah. So here we go. Roger beep, y'all. What do you think? I like it. Now that's a good Roger beep. Oh yeah. I think that's gonna be a good one right there, y'all. Check it out. Sweet. I hope I did it right. Breaker, breaker. Got too much audio. There we go. You can hear it. Yeah. I gotta do a little bit of messing around yet, but she's working pretty good, I think. Oh, didn't mess up that time. Because my microphone's feeding back, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Microphone's just a little messed up, but yeah.